Okay, so I got this pressed on. I jigged it up so that I use this nut to rest against the bottom of the press. I pressed here. I'm sorry, and then I got a large socket that fit on the outside of this gear and cleared this shaft, so you can press this gear on, make sure that the the Woodruff keys are in and all that kind of good stuff. So this is all ready to go now. My next step will be to start working on the back half of it, which will be the overdrive, the reverse, and so on and so forth. But it's coming along. So far, I haven't had I've been able to make everything do with the press, and using a variety of pipe fittings like this, those bases, sockets. No special tooling has been required. Although I will admit, it's been kind of tough at times. I mean, it's pretty fragile. Probably an extra set of hands would help, but if you can't, if not, just take your time. It'll work. The gear lash looks good. The end play looks good. I don't have any excessive end play. Everything seems to be lined up well here. The gears are all lining up nicely. So next step, I got to go back and read because I can't remember the exact sequence of what happens next back here. But we'll start working on that next. I did get a new. One of the reasons it took so long was I bought a new inner race that goes right here, and I've got a new bearing that goes on here too. I figured why not. The old race, it's kind of bunged up, look a little bit, a few scratches, didn't quite like it, and if you're going to replace the race, I figured you should replace the bearing at the same time. So this is coming up next, but yeah, so far so good. Having no showstoppers. Don't be afraid to do this yourself. You just take your time and be gentle. Don't resort to hammering things on. That's never a good idea. And we'll see. Of course, the proof will be when I get it done and installed. If it works and it's quiet, that will be the big thing. But we'll see how that goes. More later.